Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Motive English, and this is day 3rd of my 7-day speaking challenge. And in this video I'm going to talk about motivation. I have chosen this topic for today's video. So let's start our video. In my opinion, there are two types of motivation. First one is outside motivation, and the second one is inner motivation. What is the main difference in both? So, I am thinking that outsider motivation gives you benefit, you can say, for a very short period of time, and inner motivation gives you the benefit for a long period of time. Most of us students, and we need some kind of motivation to do studies. So you can relate motivation with the aim or purpose. I mean, if we have aim or purpose in our life, whatever we want to do, if our aim or purpose is clear, then definitely we feel motivated all the time, and we don't need to outside motivation. But the problem is many of us face this problem in early phase, that is um, we don't know what is our purpose in our life, what is our aim, and then we find really when we find something related to motivation, then we find that okay, if someone gives us some motivation, then we will do something, we will do studies or anything else. But the outer motivation gives you the energy, or you can say gives you the enthusiastics only for a short period. For example, we watch and we listen a lot of motivational content. We consumed motivational content a lot. But after some days, after 2, 3 days, we feel again demotivated. Why this happened all the time? And this happened repeatedly. I mean, we watch today a motivational video. We make plans. We make we make everything for ourselves, and we start to do that things, but after 2 or 3 days we still feel demotivated, and we feel bored, we feel tired, and after that we quit that things. And again after some days, again we will watch any other motivational videos, then we feel full of energy, and then again we make same mistake. So why this happen all the time? In my opinion, here, the main problem is don't having a proper goal, or you can say purpose in your life. If we have the purpose, we have the goal, we when we know that where I want to reach in my life, what kind of success, what kind of things I want to achieve in my life, then we don't need to outside motivation. As I told you, outside motivation gives you benefit only for a short period of time. After that, what happened? After that, what will you do? There is no option um, uh, for you. I mean, after some times, you feel bored, you feel tired, and again you will do the same things again and again and again. And one thing that life and time never stop for anyone. It is a natural, and it is um, going on. I mean, these things are never stop for anyone, and we still there. There is no movement, there is no, you can say, change in our life, but the life and time is going on. So we have to understand that motivation is something, if you find outside motivation, is help you only for a short period. So you have to find out your inner motivation. So the now the question is, how can we find our inner motivation? So this is a very deep concept, because there are many people we see in our life that they have proper goal, they have proper kind of planning, that what kind of activities they want to do, and what is their aim and purpose in their life, and what they want to become in future. But many of us face this same problem that actually we don't know what we want to do or what we want to become in our life. So first of all, we find out the things why we are doing this thing or why we will do in future. If we have proper systematic, you can say we have a proper uh, goal, then definitely we don't need to outside motivation. So if you feel that okay, I need to a motivation, then of course you can go with the motivational speakers or anything else. You can watch motivation video, but one thing you should remember, that those motivation videos gives you motivation, but not for a long period of time. But if you really want to do in your life, then you need your inner motivation. You need to be motivated for a long period of time. This is what I am thinking, and I am experienced in my life. And I think I wasted my 5 to 6, you can say 5 to 6 years of my life to find out that motivation. What is the real thing that motivate me? And earlier I used to watch so many motivational video, you can say I listen a lot of motivational things, motivational videos, and I consume a lot of things related to motivations. But I uh, realized that gives me motivation but for a shorter period of time. I listen a lot of motivation video. After watching and after listening that those videos, I made plans for myself, and I started work on that plan. But what happened? As usual, I quit that plan. Uh, I did not do. I could not complete my plans because I made those plans by seeing the other person. Those plans are not mine or for myself. Those plans are those who told us. This is the main thing that I have realized in my life. And I want to tell you, I would say you that please don't go for the shorter motivation. Please try to find out your inner motivation, what is your main purpose in your life. And when once you find that things, that what is your main goal, why are you doing and why you want to do or studies or anything else, then definitely you don't need to any kind of motivation. You feel all the time full of zeal, full of energy. So this is something that I want to share with you, because I realized, I experienced that short-term motivation never helps us to do better in our life. And after getting my real motivation, after find out my real motivations, I am doing my work, and now I don't need any kind of outer motivation. Still I am watching some content, still I am watching motivational videos, but only for the to enhance my skills, you can say, to improve my communications, to improve my English vocabulary. And of course, there are lots of other things that we can learn from those videos. Of course, the motivation speakers, they already achieved many things. So we can learn from them other things. But there is no motive for there is no motive to watch those motivational video for me to do my things. I watch them, but not for my to find out the motivation. I just watch because of to learn something else, not for the motivation. So this is what, and I want to tell you, and this is all about today's video. And definitely, I want to say many other things related to motivation. I want to tell you many experienced that I have, that I have experience in my life. I want to tell you, but still I am learning this language, still I am working on my skills, how to express my thought and all the things. Definitely one day I will able to um, express myself in a better way. Definitely I will achieve that things as well. So this is all about for today's video, and please make sure watch complete video and like and share this video. And okay, so this is all about for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.